Peace is not the absence of conflict but the ability to cope with it. By Mahatma Gandhi. Volatility is often marked by conflict within ourselves, between people, or in society. Many people think peace means having no problem or struggles. But Gandhi reminds us that true peace is not found in the absence of conflict, but in our ability to handle and respond to it with calmness, understanding, and self-control. In life, we all experience volatility. Unpredictable emotions, sudden failure, misunderstandings, or challenges that test our patience. Gandhi's quote teaches that these unstable moments are natural parts of life and cannot always be avoided. What truly matters is how we cope with them. Maintaining peace of mind in times of volatility means choosing patience over anger, hope over despair, and understanding over fear. It means accepting that conflict and change are inevitable, but refusing to let them destroy our inner balance. Volatility often causes people to lose control of their emotions, leading to arguments, stress, and problems. Gandhi's message encourages us to stay centered, to respond to instability, not with panic or violence, but with self-discipline and wisdom. This ability to remain peaceful in the middle of problem is a sign of inner strength and maturity. It shows that peace is not something that exists outside of us, but something we create from within ourselves. Even when everything else is uncertain in connecting to volatility, Gandhi's quote teaches that real peace and stability are internal, not external. The world around us may change rapidly, but if we learn to control our thoughts and emotions, we can remain steady no matter how volatile life becomes. It reminds us that coping with conflict doesn't mean avoiding it. It means facing it with courage, compassion, and understanding. Gandhi's quote connects to volatility by showing that peace is not the lack of problems or instability, but the strength to stay calm and wise despite them. Volatility may bring storms, but true peace, the kind Gandhi believed in, is the calmness of spirit that allows us to stand firm in the middle of those storms. Volatility tests a person's character. It can bring out fear, anger, or frustration. But according to Gandhi, how we cope with this emotion defines our strength instead of being controlled. We can choose to face it with compassion, understanding, and self-control. This means we do not let volatility destroy our peace of mind. Instead, we respond with patience and wisdom. Gandhi himself lived in a time of great conflict, yet he remained calm, using peace and nonviolence as his greatest weapons, proving that true peace can exist even in the most volatile conditions. This quote also connects to emotional volatility when a person's feelings change quickly or intensely. Gandhi's message encourages people to seek inner peace through mindfulness and self-discipline. Even when emotions are unstable, we can learn to control our action instead of letting them control us. Peace then is not about having no emotion, but about balancing them with understanding and calmness.